Taxpayers run things in Jamaica, but not just any taxpayers. The real backbone of this country's economy is the people who pay PAYE, pay as you earn. Not everyone who works pays it, but those of us who do feel it every single payday. So, what is PAYE? It's the tax deducted directly from employees' salaries before they even touch their money. This money goes to paying civil servants, teachers, police officers, nurses, firefighters, the people who keep the country running. Without PAYE, the government wouldn't have the funds to pay them, and society would grind to a halt. Now, not everybody pays PAYE. Minimum wage earners are exempt because their salaries fall below the tax threshold. But if you're making $2 million or more per year, PAYE takes a big bite out of your paycheck. The rate? 25% for earnings up to $6 million, and anything above that gets hit with a whopping 30%. That means every payday, a massive chunk, up to 30%, is taken out before we even see our money. You work hard, and by the time the deductions come out, your salary looks like it went on a diet. And the worst part is, you don't always see the benefits: roads still bad, hospitals short on supplies, schools struggling. It makes people wonder where all that tax money really goes. That's a huge sacrifice. Think about it, nearly a third of our hard-earned salary is gone before we can even pay bills, buy groceries, or save for the future. Despite the burden, PAYE is the foundation of Jamaica's economy. It funds essential services and keeps the country running. But fairness in taxation is another debate entirely, one that PAYE workers know all too well.